There's nothing you can't have. Nothing you can't become. Not in this country, not in this life, not if you're willing to bleed for it. Oh, think the world owes you something. It doesn't, but it will give you everything if you show up and fight for it. So, what's stopping you? Fear, doubt, that voice in your head telling you, I'm not good enough. Let me tell you something. That voice is a liar, and you've been listening too long. There are no real limits, only the ones you've accepted. Your circumstances don't define you. Your decisions do. Every legend you admire started where you are now. Confused, afraid, unseen. But they did one thing you haven't done yet. They refused to quit. The war isn't outside, it's inside your own mind. And if you win that war, you win everything. They'll tell you you're too late, too old, too broke, too damaged. Forget that noise. Those are the words of people who gave up on themselves. You decide. You choose who you become. You choose whether you settle or whether you fight. Most of your victories will come without applause, without cameras, without anyone noticing. But those are the ones that matter most. Burn your excuses. They've lied to you long enough. I don't have time. I wasn't born rich. I'm just unlucky. No more. Look in the mirror. Really, look. You're not weak. You're not broken. You're just waiting for permission. But let me make this clear. You don't need permission. This is America, the land where you can reinvent yourself, where your future is still unwritten, but only you can hold the pen. Start today. Start scared. Start broken. But start, because in a year, you'll wish you had.